NWS in Key West. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are conducted around noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the Florida Keys of Monroe County. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm feature for the T-Table transmitter.
The tides at Rockcut for this afternoon through Thursday morning. Low tide is at 1:42 p.m. High tide